All right, mini lesson number 2, patterns and direct variation. When you see a table like this, first thing you should probably do is determine if it's linear, if it makes a line. And what the tell for that is if I count from 4 to 7, I get 3. So the change between these two is 3. The change between these two is 3. The change between these two is 3. That means that it's got the same slope between any 2 points. And since I'm counting by ones, it's 3 over 1. I know the slope of this line, which is usually m, is 3. I know it makes a line and I know the slope. So y equals 3x is my starting point, but I still need to figure out the y-intercept because it's not going to be 0, probably. If they don't tell me 0 something, I don't know the y-intercept right off the bat, so what I'm going to do is just try one of these points. Like if I plug in 1, 1 times 3 gives me 3. Well, when I plug in 1, I'm supposed to get 4. So how do I kind of shift this so that when I plug in 1, I do get 4? What I should do is add 1 onto that. And then I can test that with another one. 2 times 3 is 6, but 6 is not 7. To get to 7, you have to have that plus 1 on the end. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 gives you 10. Sorry about the bell. Let's try another one. 9 to 17 is adding 8. But here we're not counting by ones, we're counting by twos. So this is 8, the rise is 8, but we're going over 2. So 8 over 2, I think the slope is going to be 4, but let's check to see if it's always going 8 over 2. 17 to 25, yeah, that's plus 8 over 2. 25 to 33, that's plus 8 over 2. So I know the slope is 8 over 2. The slope is 4, so we're going to say y equals 4x. But again, when I plug in 2 times 4 is 8, not 9. Again, I have to do the plus 1 for the y-intercept. So 4x plus 1, because 4 times 4 might give me 16, but I need to add 1 to get 17. So the slope, you just count, and then the y-intercept you can figure out usually a couple different ways. Here this says the fee for a library book varies directly. If it says varies directly, I know it's going to be y equals some constant k times x. So the fee varies directly. F equals some amount of days. I just got to figure out what it is per day. And the way that we're going to do that is it's going to tell me 9 days late has a fee of 45 cents. So if the fee was 45 cents for 9 days, I can figure out what that k is going to be by dividing both sides by 9. And when you do that, 0.45, 45 cents divided by 9 is 5 cents per day. So I can write an equation now, f equals, in this problem, the fee, f equals 0.05 times the number of days late. And that's how you determine how much you got to pay the library when it's late. And that's all.